Hey guys, so today we're gonna learn how you can add text or running pictures in background of your video. So as you can see, I already imported one of my video in Capcut, and now for adding text, I'm gonna go on text button here and add default text, and here I can write anything. So for now, I'm just gonna write subscribe here, and after that, I need this for my full video, so I'm gonna extend this length for my full video here. And you can see now if I want my text to move around, I can do here and just drag the text where you want. For now I want it here, and after that you can change the animation if you want this animation, or you can select any animation you like. For now I'm just gonna use my simple text, and you can change the color. You can change the color too. You can make it red, white, whatever color you like. So I changed to the green right now, and after that if you want to add shadow for your site, you can add shadow here. And after that, if you want to curve your text, you can curve from here. It's curved now, as you can see, but still it's not behind our person, like it's not in the background. So to make that happen, we're gonna go to our main video, select it, and we're gonna copy our video and paste it on top. After pasting on top the top video, we're gonna remove background for it. So I'm gonna select auto removal for now. If you select auto removal, it's gonna automatically remove background and only gonna take this person out of the video. So as you can see, the background is done, but you can't see because I already have two videos on one another. So that's why there's the background from the second video, not from the first. So I'm gonna show you how this works. So now I'm gonna select my text and drag it in between those two videos right here. And now if I play this video, you can see the text is behind my image. You can see it's in the background now. So it's just that simple. And if you want to add any picture, as you see in the videos, like the logos running in the background, or any pictures running in background, or text running in background, for that you can select any picture you want. For now, for an example, I'm just gonna show you with these stickers. Like I'm gonna take this sticker, subscribe, and add it in my video. I need this for my full video, so I'm gonna extend the length. And after that, I need this sticker from going left to right, so I'm gonna place it over here. You can place it bottom, anywhere if you want. You can just move it from left to right. You can move it from down to top, whatever you like. For now I'm just gonna go from left to right, so I'm gonna leave my text here. Then I'm gonna add keyframe. As you can see on right hand corner, there's a keyframe option. I'm gonna add keyframe on start of my video. Then I'm gonna go at end, or anywhere of my video where you want to move your text. So for now I'm gonna go end of my video, and here I'm gonna add another keyframe. And now I'm gonna take this text and I'm gonna drop it in between those two videos. So now if I'm gonna run this video, it's going to look like this. Oh, I didn't move the text, my bad. So for that, I add the first keyframe here and the second one here. So we're gonna go to second keyframe and move our text here. So now if I'm gonna play this video, it will look like this. The subscribe button is going behind the person, so it's going in the background. So I think now you know how it works, how the keyframes work, and how these layers work. So now you can add any picture or any logo in your video's background, or you can move the text in your video's background. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want me to make more videos about the tips and tricks of CapCut, please comment down below. Thank you.